Yo, so that's another trade recap. This one is for December 22nd. So again, 1 hour chart, pretty decent area of premium for potential shorts. Huge ass fair value gap. Like I can see like the order block probably right here. So good potential entry. This area right here is just to refine more precise 5-minute fair value gap, like based on this 1 hour candle. Again, pretty simple logic of the entry, so of the open of like what 9:30 New York. We've manipulated higher and the price broke lower, and you can see like there is a tiny little ass like gap, just like a price pocket right here. Again, after we created a bullish fair value gap, a really decent impulsive move, it was sold off immediately, leaving this gap behind. And what's even more interesting, that this gap is just right exactly the 50% level of the 5-minute fair value gap. And like, look at this beauty and delivery, like how precise it is. And that's where my short entry was. Like, you cannot ask for better. And that was my target, just a local low, the low of the day at this moment. And yeah, it played out beautifully. So that was my first trade that I took on this day, and I have another one. Let me just close this one out. And where's my second trade? And here's the second one. So like this level right here, that was recent high on the 1 hour. It was not an all-time high, by the way, but it was just a recent local high, which been violated. We pierced through, and basically after sweeping a local high, this like structure was formed. You can see like much in 5 minutes, but still you see the closure like right below this level. Anyway, and again, bullish gap violated by bearish fair value. This was my short entry. That was my initial target. Yeah, and I didn't move my stop loss whatsoever. I was waiting until the target hit, but it didn't happen, and and the price ended up going higher. Just looking back into the trade, probably I could just took some money off once we entered this bullish fair value gap, or at least move my stop loss to break even, just to see how we react of this. But again, that's the problem of holding a one contract. You either want it to be a winner or just wait until your stop loss got hit. So yeah, that's my trade number 2. I'm just looking back into the charts again. There's still so much to be learned, and I feel like some really important like key points I'm missing. But it's okay, we'll get there. And for the profit loss ratio thing, on this day we end up getting $40, and like taking into consideration that the first one was a winner, the second trade was a loser. That's a pretty decent day. As you can see right now, my account is at 600 bucks. So for these 11 days of trading, we've basically brought the account back from 500 something dollars all the way to 900 bucks, which is decent in my opinion. Like, it feels like, these $300 is like nothing, they're untangible. And I actually, why do I have this 600 right now? I took some money off. It was 299 bucks that I requested for the withdraw, so I can, just use this money and buy gifts for my parents, or like, I don't know, just go enjoy myself or go in a restaurant or something. Actually feel that these profits, they are within the reach, they're tangible, and you can go enjoy life with them. So yeah, that should be everything, I guess, for this day. Um, we still have 3 more days until the new year, 3 more trading days. I really want to make a sort of like a new year resolution or something like that. Um, and yeah, not gonna waste more of your time. Thank you, stranger. Enjoy your day.